Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to see the installation of Ansible. Ansible can be installed in two different ways, using yum and using a Python, that is pip. In this tutorial, we are going to see using yum. In next tutorial, we'll go through the pip as well. One thing we have to note here, Ansible can only install on Linux operating system. We cannot install the Ansible on Windows operating system. But yes, Windows operating system can be managed by Ansible. But the installation we have to do of Ansible server on the Linux operating system. We can manage Windows, we can manage network, devices like switches, router, load balancer. We can manage different other devices using Ansible, right? But always when we are installing the Ansible, make sure you are working on the Linux operating system, maybe your CentOS, maybe your Red Hat, maybe your Ubuntu. Any operating system is fine to install the Ansible. Let us check our operating system. So here we are using CentOS Red Hat 7.4. Let us install the Ansible using yum server. So we'll say yum install epel-release. So it will install the EPEL repository, and from EPEL repository we can find out the Ansible. All the open source program and RPMs are available in EPEL repository. So by default on your system, EPEL repository will be not available. So we have to install it using yum install EPEL release. Let's try again. So we'll say Control-Alt to find out the previous command. So yum install EPEL release. So we need to always make sure your repository is working fine. That is yum.repos.d. All the repositories are available. So by default, if you look at EPEL repository is available. So when we run this command, it will just refresh the list, and it will take a few minutes to update that. So the command here we have run is yum install EPEL-release. Once we run this command, it will install the EPEL repository. As we discussed, EPEL repository is a public repository, and all the or most of the open source tools and the RPMs are available in EPEL-release.